In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog on GoHighLevel. Whether you're new to blogging or just looking to expand your online presence, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to navigate to GoHighLevel's website. This platform is a top-notch choice for creating and managing your blogs efficiently. Once you land on the homepage, your focus should be directed to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll want to click on the Sites tab. This section is your go-to for everything necessary in building and customizing your online space, including your blog. It's essentially the hub for your future digital creativity. After you've made your way to Sites, your next stop is the Blogs option. This is the doorway to where all the magic of content creation happens. By selecting Blogs, you're unlocking a world of possibilities for sharing your unique voice and vision with the world. The next task is to click on Create Blog. Here's where your journey to crafting an online presence begins. Upon reaching the Create Blog page, you're prompted to enter a highlight or a name for your blog. This is a pivotal moment, as the name you select will represent your brand and the essence of your content theme. Take a moment to consider what best aligns with your message and identity. It's more than just a name, it's a reflection of your brand ethos. Once that decision is made, it's time to attach your blog to a domain. Click Select a Domain first to begin connecting your new blog with a web address, officially making it accessible online. It's important that you choose a domain name that not only complements your branding, but is also easy for your audience to remember. With the domain sorted, reiterate your highlight choice by typing it in again. Then, with everything ready to go, click Create. You've just set up the foundation of your blog, marking a significant step in your venture into the digital world. With the basic setup complete, let's shift focus to adding content. Click on New Post to start writing your first blog entry. This is your canvas for creativity. An opportunity to share insights and connect with your audience on topics close to their heart. Be sure to give yourself the time to create content that's both captivating and informative. If at any point you need to revisit a previous step, simply hit Back. This feature allows you to review and tweak your entries or settings as needed. After finalizing the nuts and bolts of your posts and settings, think about highlighting certain items to boost readability and engagement. As you explore your blog setup, you'll discover various options for refining your content, including the Imported Content section. This feature enables the seamless integration of existing materials into your blog, enriching the information available to your readers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and publishing a blog on GoHighLevel. Each of these steps brings you closer to unveiling your ideas to the world. So go ahead and start blogging. I hope this walkthrough has been enlightening and motivates you to embark on your blogging journey. Thanks for watching, and happy